Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Krusteaz Meyer lemon bar mix. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So we've got a couple mixing bowls back here. We've got some cooking spray. I've got a whisk, 3 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, our bar mix, a spoon, and an 8 by 8 inch pan. So first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna go ahead and take our pan and grease our sides with our nonstick cooking spray, and make sure to grease the bottom as well. Now we're gonna do things a little bit out of order. They want you to make your filling first, but we also have to bake our crust, so I wanna get started on that, and then we can make our filling while the crust is baking. So we're gonna open this up. We've got our filling mixture right here. I'm just gonna put that in the bowl that I'm gonna use, and then we've got our crust mixture right here. We're gonna go ahead and open that up, and we're gonna put our 2 tablespoons of butter into it and mix it together until it forms a crumbly mixture. All right, so we've got a nice little crumbly mixture going on there. I'm just gonna clean my spoon off a little bit, and then we're gonna put this into our pan and press it down firmly until we've got a nice even crust in there. All right, now that we've got our crust done, we're gonna pop this into our oven for 12 to 14 minutes. All right, now while our crust is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make our filling mix. So this does look very similar to our crust mix, but it is luckily labeled for us, the filling mix. So we're just gonna open this up and put it into our bowl. Next, we're gonna add in our 1/3 of a cup of water. And then we're gonna add our 3 eggs. And then all we have to do is just whisk that until it is well blended. All right, we are well blended with our filling mix. We're just gonna set this aside and wait for our crust to come out of the oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it's been 14 minutes. Our crust is out of the oven, and we're just gonna grab our filling here, and we're gonna give it another good whisk just to make sure that it is fully mixed up. And we're gonna pour that directly over our hot crust. Now that we've got that in there, we're gonna pop this back into our oven for 24 to 26 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. So I'm gonna put this in there, and then I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. All right, everyone, this has finally come out of the oven. Now for me, it took 34 minutes. So it did take about 10 minutes longer than their recommended time, but all the way up until then, I wasn't really seeing any browning around the edges or the top of mine. So just keep that in mind. Keep an eye on yours as the time passes by and see when it's starting to look a little bit more correct to you. And if I touch the center, it definitely feels springy, like it's done. So I'm pretty confident in this. Now you could definitely just leave it exactly like this, let it cool for a couple hours, and store it in the fridge, and you're good to go. But what I'm going to do is add a little bit of confectioner sugar, aka powdered sugar. I'm gonna sift this over the top of it after I've let it cool down, and you can see right here what that looks like. And this is how they typically present lemon bars, so that's how I wanted to present mine. But like I said, you could definitely leave this step off if you want. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.